What's up, everybody? It's your boy Jay here with a unboxing of the MySmile professional teeth whitening system. I'm going to go ahead and see what's inside the box. So let's see here. First of all, I'm gonna flip this bad boy over to let you see what's included. So this is what we're supposed to have inside. So the kit includes one teeth whitening kit, 3 MySmile teeth whitening gels, a comfort fit tray, the manual, and whitening shade. Then of course caution where you need to store it. Of course keep out of the reach of children. And this kit is not intended for children under 12. And if you have any medical issues, especially if you're pregnant, please seek medical advice before using this product. And it says scan with the transparency app. So interesting. I have to let y'all know what's up with that in another video once I let y'all know what these results with my teeth look like, so y'all can see a before and after. Okay, and I'll do that in a follow-up video. So these are your 3 gels. So you have syringe-like gels here. Next, I'm gonna go and unbox the content. So a nice little card here with the MySmile social media that you can follow, and it says "My smile, my attitude." Yeah, because you got to make sure you got that smile together. Get them teeth together, man. First line of defense. So let's see what's in here. Let me get this out. So this looks like, wow. So this is going to tell you where your smile is looking at. So 1 is where I guess ideal teeth need to be. But man, we can be anywhere near here, man. I'm gonna say I'm probably about maybe a 4, maybe a 3, even maybe just a 2. What's crazy is I've had people when I was, because I'm self-conscious about my teeth, I've never worn braces. So we'll get to that in a minute. So this is what this says in here. Repeat steps 2 through 5 daily for 7 days or until desired results are achieved. So this is a 2 to 5. You do, okay, steps 2 to 5. So it's about a week process. And I guess you could see maybe improvement days before, but 7 days. After whitening for 7 days consecutively, we recommend waiting 4 to 6 weeks before whitening your teeth. And I assume that may be because the gel can sometimes, cause you to gums to get sensitive. So upload your I love MySmile selfie or video to Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and receive a special gift. So what I'm gonna do, so 7 days, I am going to try this out, and I will post a follow-up video. I'll do a before and after of my teeth, and then I'll let you guys know what the results are like so that you can see this product. So step 1, take the batteries out of the LED light, remove the plastic, and reinsert batteries. Step 2, attach mouth tray to LED. Let's see, apply 0.5 milliliters of the whitening gel to the top and also to the bottom of the mouth tray. Apply to the face of the tray. Insert the light or tray into your mouth. Let's enjoy the process. It says the LED light will automatically turn off. It will beep 10-minute intervals. Sorry, y'all. It will beep in 10-minute intervals. For your convenience, rinse your mouth and the mouth tray. Avoid eating or drinking staining foods and beverages for an hour. So I recommend probably doing this before you go to bed. So let's see. So here's your kit. So this is the little mouth, the kit. This looks like the little guard right here. So that's pretty cool. So let me get a close up on this. So what I've done is taken the liberty of putting this together. And so what this will do is go in your mouth and it lights up like that. And you put your gel, as the instructions say, you know, here where you would bite. Well, let me show you up close. Here where you would bite, excuse me, you would put your gel here. So there and there as well for the proof of room. So that'll be that. And then these are just extra for your syringes, for your gels, in case, you know, something breaks off, you can reinsert here with these. And so, like I said, I'll follow up with another video that will show you my results with this MySmile, so that you can see a before and after. So thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in a couple of weeks, hopefully with a brighter smile.